force and a measured response has also been issued to Pakistan. Now, moving on, viewers, we have some breaking news coming in. NIA has been questioning two overground workers of Lashkar in Kot Balwal jail in Jammu. Nisar Ahmed and Mushtaq Hussain are being quizzed by the NIA for their involvement in helping terrorists behind the Pahalgam attack. The NIA suspects that some terrorists behind these attacks are those who were involved in 2023's terror attack as well in Rajouri and could be part of the group that carried out the Pahalgam terror attack. Several OGWs are being questioned. Gursimran is back with us. Gursimran, just yesterday we came across 3 testimonies by 3 OGWs who said that one of them helped in providing food, the other sheltered them, and the third OGW confessed that he helped in conducting the recce. And now more and more OGWs are being questioned. Tell us more.
See, these are two Lashkar OGWs that are presently being questioned by the National Investigation Agency. We are told that the NIA team questioned the overground workers at this very central jail of the Kot Balwal in Jammu right now, where we are reporting from. They are being questioned with regards to their involvement not in the Pahalgam terror attack, because see, when this Pahalgam terror attack took place, they were inside the jail. But yes, providing the logistic support to a group of terrorists that carried out the Dhangri terror attack and also the Kandi terror attack. These 2 terror attacks took place in the month of January and the April in 2023, post which Nisar and his associate Mushtaq were arrested by the National Investigation Agency. But what the agency suspect that these terrorists are part of that very group that carried out the attack in the Dhangri as well as in the Rajouri's Kandi, and that's why these 2 overground workers, the photos of which have been exclusively accessed by Republic Media Network, these 2 detained presently under arrest at the central jail in the Kot Balwal in Jammu. They are presently being questioned by the National Investigation Agency. We are told that the NIA will be conducting some more set of questionings to these overground workers based on their replies. The OGWs that have been detained in the Kashmir Valley, they will be questioned so as to find out the links and whether this is the same group that has infiltrated from the Mendhar sector of the Poonch way back in 2022, carried out the attack in 2023. Some of these terrorists, they got killed. One in Rajouri, one we know was killed in the Kashmir Valley after the Gandarbal terror attack. It was in the December 2024 when one of the terrorists was killed. But now the remaining terrorists are part of this group. This is what the NIA suspect, and that's why these 2 overground workers, Mushtaq and Haji Nisar, are presently being questioned by the National Investigation Agency.
Right. Also, Gursimran, is there any update on the probe into a local hand that is suspected to be involved in aiding these terrorists? OGWs are being questioned. What about the local angle?
See, 100%, it won't be possible to carry out an attack of such magnitude without the local involvement, because all Pakistani cannot come and carry out these attacks. So the local involvement cannot be ruled out. The traitors that are inside the country, those who have helped, be it for the money or for the ideological reasons, that is what the agencies are probing. But yes, there is certainly a local hand at. That's why it's that the Mushtaq and Haji Nisar are presently being questioned at the central jail in the Kot Balwal. You see that these 2 are also locals. They were the ones who received the consignment via drone, who received the cash via drone. They provided logistic. They went on with the terrorists to show them hideout. So they have done everything possible that they can do for the enemy state. So there are many of the traitors like them who are still there, and that is what the agencies are probing, Deepak.
Right, Gursimran.